Hello everyone, it's me. I am making a batch of soap again. I'm making a soap with a new to me fragrance. It's called Spring Rain. It's very floral with a hint of lemon and like an ozone type scent. It was just, that scent of the air around you after a good rainstorm. So, yeah, I've never used it before. And I have a semi-formed idea of how I want to do this in my head, but knowing me, who the heck knows. Have my oils and my clay and my oats all ready here, and pouring in my lye solution. I'm going to try and keep this as fluid as possible. I'm not sure what to expect with this fragrance. With the florals in it, I get nervous that it's going to accelerate. Floral scents are notorious for speeding up. So yeah, I'm not going to go nuts on the stick blending. And I'm probably not going to even add the fragrance until after my colors are mixed in. Just to give me a little bit more time. Ooh, that got fluffy. See what happens when you whisk heavy cream? Might as well just get a can of whipped cream and squirt it on in here at this rate. Stir before I do a whole lot of stick blending. Yeah, I got air bubbles trapped. All sorts of fun stuff. Oh well. I did say I wanted to keep it fluid. What's it doing here? It's probably going to be good. I'm going to be doing a lot of mixing anyway. May or may not be using that. I don't know. Alright, so my plan is to split this into 3 colors. I'm gonna try and do more of 2 of them and less of the third. We'll see. How my plan works out. Oh, not that much less of the third though. Alright. That's fine. Well, maybe. I don't know. Pardon me while my arm again gets in your way. Hopefully you don't mind that too much. I'm gonna get this out. Sorry. Scrape, scrape, scrape. Nothing goes to waste. Alright. Now, do I want to put a smidge more in? Yeah, I do. Just a smidge. I want less because I want it to be sort of an accent-like color. Alright, so the 3 colors I'm using is a blue that I've darkened. I want it to be kind of like a stormy blue. We'll see how that goes. A black, but I don't want to use a lot of it because I actually want it to be more gray, and I don't have gray, so, you know. If it gets too dark, I'm going to have to mix a little titanium dioxide or something in it. And then I want this to be like a golden yellow. These 2 colors, obviously, like rain cloud, sky, and then, you know, after it rains, it always gets sunny out. So, that was my thought process going into this. I'm a sucker for those springtime thunderstorms. I'm really looking forward to that type of weather coming again. I want more. Ugh. Adventures in soap making yet again. Anyways, yeah, I love thunderstorms. Love, love, love them. And where I've lived for the past 10 years, I was in a valley. I'm still in the valley, but I'm on another side of it. And the storms would always break apart before they got to us. Holy moly. Well, that was not the gray I was anticipating. But it's also sitting all on top here. Maybe it'll be okay. Either that or I'm going to have to pause you and run and get my titanium dioxide. Yeah, that's all really dark. Well, let's mix the blue first. I like the blue, I think. Yeah, I like the blue. I don't want this to be all dark and dismal. The blue is interesting, although it's more teal. That's okay. I'm not picky. This fragrance is a little yellowy anyways. I don't even know. It might discolor. I'm not sure. Yeah, that's too dark. Well, be patient. I will return. Well, I'm back. I actually never got the titanium dioxide. I had some white sparkle mica sitting right here, and I put that in here, and I have a lot of shimmer going on, and I think it'll be okay. It's not going to be stark black.
Mommy, can I have
What, honey?
a paper towel?
Yes, you can have a paper towel. There you go. Did you make a mess?
No, I just had a book on
Okay. Alright.
Can't put it in the chest.
Well, thank you very much. Alright, anyways. Yeah, there's a lot of shimmer in it now, so I think I'm gonna like it. We'll find out. Who the heck knows? Alright, so on to pouring this into the mold. Oh, no, we want fragrance. Ooh, I almost made the soap making mistake everyone dreads. Ooh, got distracted by the boy. Alright, fragrance in, and fragrance in. It smells good. I really smell the floral. I don't pick up the lemon and ozone smells too much, but I think it's going to lighten up in the soap a little. I'm going to actually use my spatula in a moment. Oh, the fragrance really grayed this up quite a bit. Might work out after all. Look at that. Alright, I'm trying to work quickly because I don't know what to expect. I should have kept my big bowl over here. It's okay. Alright. Oops. Give these a bit of a stir. Make sure the fragrance is in really well. Whoops! Oh, making messes. Clean that up. Pretty messes, but messes. Alright. Apparently I need to be less rambunctious. The blue is interesting. It's so teal though. It's not really blue. It's alright though. Might have darkened it too much. It's okay. Alrighty. So what I want to do is do kind of like a double pour with the blue and the gray, and then do a drop swirl or pour. Do another pour with the yellow down the middle, and then do like a chopstick swirl. So get my mold. Make sure you can see, sorta, kinda. Alright, so cross fingers that this works out. I like that gray. This could be, I don't know. Alright, so and then I'm going to smack it, switch. Stop making messes, you. Alright, and more yellow. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is why you wear gloves. Alright, and then chopstick. Well, let me give her a good smack first. Certainly will be interesting. Awesome. All right, and I was going to do a little mica swirl, and I honestly don't know if it needs it. Plus, it's really loose still. I was expecting that to accelerate more than that. Yeah, that's not really helping much. Alright. I might just do this. No extra mica. I think we're good. Hey everyone, I'm back. I had some technical difficulties with the making portion of this video, so as far as I can tell, you got most of the important stuff, but like the very end I think you missed, so not a whole lot. But anyways, here's Spring Rain. It's been a couple of days since I made it, so it should be nice and hard and ready to cut. I think the colors turned out really well. The gray especially, I know I was worried about that when I was making it, but it's really nice and it's a nice shimmery gray, so really neat, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what this looks like. So let's get to it. Get my M piece off. It smells really good, nice floral smell, and that looks so cool. I'm liking this soap. Hopefully you do too. Yeah, I think that turned out really well. Alright, let's see what the rest of them look like. Oh, nifty, nifty. Hee. It's always nice when it turns out so well. This is not going to go through. Nice and tight. I don't know. Anyway. So that looks nice. If I do say so myself. You'll have to let me know what you think. I'm not sure how much soaping I'm going to get done this weekend. I have some things I want to try and get done for the market that I have coming up in a few weeks. So I mean, if I am able to, I'm going to make some soap. But we will just kind of see. I don't have the kids this weekend, so I have plenty of time on my hands. I really like that swirl right there, by the way. But you know, I also have to clean the house sometimes, so. I don't know if you guys can tell how shimmery this is looking. Let me see if I can get it closer and I'll refocus you, so pardon for the jiggliness and all of that. Let me refocus that on you. I apologize. don't know if you can see the shimmer. It's there. I can see a little bit on this, but it's really neat. Sorry for the zoom in. Let me refocus you again as you go cross-eyed, waiting for that to happen. There you go. Alright, back to our regularly scheduled soap cutting. It was in the high 40s, low 50s today, and we have a winter weather advisory tonight. Possible 2 to 4 inches of snow. I honestly don't see it happening, because it's not supposed to get cold enough to snow, as far as I know. But then again, I guess stranger things have happened. We usually do get a good, there's been times that even though spring's right around the corner, we've gotten some big storms this time of year. But it's been warm, so I don't know. I would call this a successful soap. I like it. It is so... I think it turned out pretty well. There's a lot of yellow in that one. Alright, pardon my hand in your way. Last bar always catches me. I'm trying not to make it obscenely crooked, but I failed. Alright, well, hopefully you can see it really well. This is spring rain. We got some gray, blue, yellow, nice shimmery gray. Everything's shimmery. I'm just looking at the end piece right now. It's pretty shimmery. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did and you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. I would appreciate it. And hopefully I'll join you soon. And sorry for the small children yelling and screaming in the background. I will see you soon. Bye.